What is up, guys? It is Icy, and in the previous video, I taught you how to make this sea cannon. Now we are testing what animals can use it. Okay, slime up first. Slime, if this works, you can fly. Whoa, okay, it works. Works. Okay. It's in all bits. Okay, llama. Oh. Button. Llama, fly. Whoa, okay, that llama can fly. And it landed back in there, okay. Hopefully we can get it to get back out. Get out of the box, llama, get out of the box. I've accidentally pushed it in, okay. And next contestant, ow. See what happens. Fly, cow, fly! Final contestant is a chicken. Okay? And do your stuff. But you can! And it's gracefully fluttering down. Good ending to the video. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and until the next one, see out.